So you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you guys, I want you to come along. So it's going to be a cook with me today. Today I'm going to be making a real southern dish here in Florida. We call it corned beef and cabbage. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but it's a really good meal. You can either pair that with the white rice or yellow rice. What you do is you go in and you prepare your cabbage. Once your cabbage is done, you can go ahead and prepare a corned beef. The corned beef usually comes in a can. You can buy corned beef that's not in a can, but for this meal today, it's going to be the corned beef out the can. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead. I've already prepared the rice, or it's cooking now. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and chop up my cabbage, get that over, and let that start to cook. Once that's done, I'll go in and I will fry my corned beef, and I'll add my corned beef mixture over into the cabbage. So stay tuned and I'll let you guys see how I prepare that. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. On this channel, guys, I do a lot of cooking, vlogging, and things like that. So yeah, and if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. And yeah, stay tuned. I like to wash my cabbage real good because when you buy it from the store, it's really, really dirty. It's gritty, it's nasty. Another thing I do is I'll take the top layers off of the cabbage and throw those away. I do the same thing with lettuce as well. Just peel that top layer. Peel that bad boy right on off. It's like dirty and disgusting, and so that's what I usually do. Put that here to the side. Okay, I'll do the same thing with the second one. Normally I don't get 2 cabbages, but these are kind of small, so I went ahead and got 2. The core of the cabbage, you just take that and throw it away too. The core is the little hard part on the back. Cabbage is one of the vegetables I can get the kids to eat. So I try to prepare this as much as I can. I was telling Trinity, I think I'm gonna get a juicer. It's the juicer I saw at at Target. That way it's an easy way for the kids to get their veggies and fruit intakes. Because it's kind of like the juicer. When I get it, I'm going to let you guys see it. But the juicer is it's a really nice juicer. I think it's from Ninja, a brand called Ninja. But it's a really nice juicer. It looks nice. I think I want to try it out because I saw a couple of reviews on it. And you just mix up your fruit and veggies, and it becomes like a little smoothie. So here I'm just washing my cabbage off. Just because I still some cut before. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. Maybe they'll eat more fruits and vegetables. Well, it'll be in the form of a drink, but at least they'll get the fruit and veg intake in. So yeah. All right, so here I'm just washing the cabbage. Washing the cabbage off. Because cabbage is kind of like greens, like your collard greens, mustard greens. When you buy them, you have to wash them really good. Otherwise, you'll feel that grit inside of them. Another layer of this off because it's still kind of okay. cord and all of that. We're just gonna throw that away in the trash. Get this bad boy cut up. It's totally up to you. You can cut your cabbage how you want. Some people cut it large, some people cut it small. I cut mine like medium, the same way I cut my collard green. You guys can see. I cut it like about that big. But I see some people, they cut it like big, you know. I don't cut mine like that. I kind of like it small. What I did, you guys, is I went ahead and add a little bit of oil into the pan. So I'm going to start off by frying the cabbage first, and then I'm going to put a top on it and let it wither down on its own. So here I'm just adding different seasonings. You can add whatever you want: garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, just pretty much whatever you want. A little bit of olive oil. Some people add carrots over to their cabbage. I don't do that, but yeah, onion, whatever you want to add to your cabbage to season it. Bacon. The list can go on and on, so it's like totally up to you. So I'm just getting everything mixed up, the seasonings, and then I'm gonna put a top over this and let it wither down. And it's already starting to wither. Once I do this, I'm gonna put the camera so you guys can see what it's looking like. But I'm just getting it mixed up right now. So this is a quick meal, you guys. It doesn't take that long. So yeah, I just bought this season yesterday. It's so hard to shake out, so I'm gonna take the top of it off and just shake some over in here. Yeah, because you got to get that seasoning in there. Give it some flavor. Okay. So, yeah. When you cut in your cabbage, guys, it look like a lot. But once it starts to wither down, then it don't look like that much. So, that's the reason why I got two, because they were so small. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera, let you guys see that, because I'm gonna put the top on it and let the heat cook it. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I like to clean as I go. You call me, Carter? Did you call me? No. Oh. So again, like I was saying, I don't know about you guys, but I like to clean as I go. I don't like stuff to be all over the stove and stuff. It's just not me. But hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera around. So if you guys can see that, trying to fan so you guys can get a view of it. So if you guys can see the cabbage, it's gonna cook down. I'm gonna put the top on it and let it wither down for a little while. Once that's done, I'm gonna come back and let you guys see how I prepare the corned beef and mix it over in there. I really wanted yellow rice today, guys, but Taya, she doesn't like yellow rice, so I made white rice. But normally, if you guys want to try it with yellow rice. It is so good. So yeah, I'm gonna put the top on there and I'll be right back. I'm also going to turn my fire down on low and just let this cook. Are you done?
Mm-hmm.
What you looking for, right?
Yes.
And don't put salt in the corned beef, you guys, because it's already a little salty. So I just add the pepper over into, but you can put salt or onion powder, garlic powder, whatever you want. I just typically don't normally do it. And I just let it, really, it's really nothing to cook with the corned beef. You kind of just really warm it up in the pan. You can do that and then get it over into your cabbage. So, let you guys see what it's looking like. A lot of people like to eat their corned beef and cabbage with hot sauce. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay, so the cabbage is done. What we'll do now is I'll go ahead and get the corned beef on top of the cabbage. So this is what it's looking like before I mix the corned beef over into it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing them. Fun fact, guys, a lot of people eat corned beef for breakfast with like grits and stuff. I've never did that. I don't think I like it with grits, but a lot of people do. If you've never had this, you guys, try it. It's really good. At least with the cabbage, corned beef is really good. Again, I've never ate it as a breakfast item. I don't know what it tastes like with grits and stuff and potatoes, but I'm sure it's probably good. But this is the only way I will actually eat corned beef is with the cabbage over white rice or yellow rice. I think this is one of those meals or foods you'd be like, ew. But in reality, if you taste it, corned beef is really good. I remember I used to like, that looked like dog. That meat looked like dog food. But guys, it's really good. Really, really good. So yeah, there you have it. So what I'll do now is I'll put it on low and I'll let it cook for a little bit longer. Not really cook for a little bit longer. Let me just say I'll let it heat for about 15 more minutes with the top on, and you can just pair that over your white rice, guys. And yeah, it's quick and meal with cornbread. A lot of people eat it with, like, again, what is it? Hot sauce. So yeah, so I'm just gonna cook up some little muffins real quick to go along with it, and that's a quick meal. If you guys want to try it, check it out. Hey Allie gang, what's going on? What's good? Today is Tuesday. I went to Target last night, you guys, and me and Carter picked up some little Lunchables. He saw this one Lunchable and he decided he wants to make pizza today. So today in the kitchen, I'm not cooking. Carter's gonna make pizza. Okay guys, so this is what Carter picked up. If you guys want to get this for your little ones, it looks as though it's like pepperoni inside. What is it, Carter? Cheese? Mozzarella. Yeah, mozzarella cheese, and it's like the dough. So he's gonna prepare some pizza. So if you guys have kiddos and you want to see how he does it, let's go.
There's one.
Okay, ready? Why you open it with your mouth? Oh, that's pretty cool. It has like the little dough. Open the whole pack. Open the whole pack on pizza sauce. So I'm gonna let him do it, guys. He wants to do it himself. You got it. Hold on, let me help you. Hold on, let me help you. Hold this thing. Hold your container. They really got this pasted on there real good.
I saw the piece of pizza.
No, put it. Hold on. Oh, you gotta hold it, dude. Wait, don't do it like that because the cheese gonna hold on. Okay, guys. So we struggle opening up that. So
yeah, the sauce is first.
So put your you gotta put your sauce on first. We need a scissors. Yeah. Why are you opening the drawer so hard like that? Bring it over here. Let me help you out. Bring it over here. Close your drawer back. Nope. Go close your drawer back. See why you don't let boys be in the kitchen? Okay, so just take and cut this tip right now. Cut like at an angle. Yeah, there you go. Okay. It's open. You need to cut a little bit more. Start here and then cut. Use your left hand. Do everything.
No, I'm not using my dominant hand.
You do both hands. All right, so you go and take it. Look at the picture. So I think your sauce goes in there first here. Don't make it messy. Squeeze a little bit, man. Right around. You need a spoon. Grab a spoon. Grab a spoon.
If I want to slow it.
Grab a spoon. Did you just bite it, Carl? You got to make it first. You can't be eating the product before you make it. Grab a spoon. Okay, put a little bit. So what I would do if I was you, I'll put 3 drops on each crust. That way you don't use too much on one crust.
Like ketchup.
And then do the other one. Do the other one. And then spread it. Don't make a mess. Okay. And then spread it. Get your spoon. Spread it. You better like you don't know what to do. Spread it. You making this, not me. Just spread it lightly so you won't get it all over here. Use this for you to clean your hands. You got to hold your piece of the crust down. Okay. Now spread your other one. Make it look neat. Or otherwise you gonna have some messed up pizza. Other kids gonna see you make it. They're gonna be like, oh, his pizza look disgusting.
No.
Not like that. You see that's all messed up like that. Look what you do.
I don't know how to do this.
Mine. So all you do is see how why boys don't need to be in the kitchen. See how I do mine. Look at mine compared to yours. Now make yours look nice and neat like that. Let me show Alligator what you're doing so the kids can see. Okay, do yours. Okay. So guys, if you guys are seeing this, if the kids are seeing this, you see Carr got a big old bite in his pizza. He decided
like that.
It wasn't even ready. He decided, okay, what's next? Look at your package.
Cheese.
You have, nope, I think it's your pepperonis on there next.
The cheese on the bottom.
Yeah, pepperonis, then your cheese. So do your pepperonis. This is all your
Wait,
creation.
the cheese is on the bottom.
Okay, well, do how you want. This is your creation. We got to stick it in the microwave for like a couple seconds.
Need a spoon.
Right here. Your spoon is. You want a new one? Okay. Remember, you got to use that on 3, so don't use too much on one of your pizzas. You could have used your hand for that. It would have been better. Okay, go put some on other pizzas where you use too much on one. That's pretty cool, right?
Yes.
Remember, when you make your cookie making,
No.
you don't want to get your stuff all over. Just drop it on there.
Where's
That
the
way
candy?
you ain't making a mess.
I thought there's
You
gonna
have more cheese on your plate than it.
I thought there's gonna be candy in here.
Okay. Well, you thought wrong. You know candy. All right, go ahead and put your pepperonis on there. You put many pepperonis as you want. You can put 1. You can put 2. Like you can only fit like 2 of them on there, probably, or 3 maybe. So put them how you want them. And then we gotta put it in the microwave.
What's these stuck together?
You want all them pepperonis on there?
Yes, 2 on each.
Okay, maybe you need to fix that one because they like bundled up on top of each other. You think Trini want to eat one of these so she can home? You don't think so? You don't think you did a good job?
I don't think so, right? Because remember she said it tastes like cardboard.
She said it tastes like cardboard.
Yes.
She didn't even taste it.
She said she had it.
Yeah, you did a good job. I like that. Okay, nice.
Right.
You want to put that one on there? Or you want to put it back in the thing?
I'll just add another.
Okay, so then we're gonna stick it in the microwave. We got so much stuff in the microwave already. Okay, let's take the stuff out of the microwave. Okay, guys, so Carter's gonna get this stuff cleaned up, and then we're gonna stick it in the microwave, and we'll be right back. Cool. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
To stick it in there. Okay, go ahead. Hold it carefully.
Okay, can we put on defrost?
Push it back. Well, defrost is when you get ready to throw out meat or something.
There's meat right here.
Yeah, but that's not frozen. Okay. Go ahead and put your time on there. Cook time. Hit cook time. Clear that. Cancel that out. Cancel. Then hit cook time. 9. Okay. Okay. So we'll let that go. And then we'll come back. So you guys, yeah. Carter's doing his own little cooking in the kitchen. I think he thought it was gonna be candy in there. That's why he got it. But ain't no candy in there, Carter. What do you think about that?
27, 28.
It ain't ready yet.
30.
Okay. Take it out. Take your pizza out.
It's been about like
What you counted
50 minutes.
50? 50
No,
seconds.
I know.
Wait, grab both hands because remember it's hot. Both hands. Bring it over here on this side over here. Over
That's
here.
like
By the coffee maker. Let's see right here. Let's see what it looks like. So let it get your cheese. Get a spoon so we can put your cheese back on here. Get a spoon.
It's not actual.
It looks pretty good, Carter. Uh-oh. You may be on to something. Trini gonna be jealous of you, girl. I mean, boy.
What?
Trini gonna be jealous. Okay, so we just fixing his cheese right here. This looks good, Carter. You guys, I call Carter Carter. So if you guys hear me saying that, it's Carter. So let it cool off. So you guys, this is what his pizza came out looking like. It looks really good, Carter. Look at that, guys. And it really quick, and you know, so it's a fun thing for your kids.
It's like one of these.
Huh?
It's like one of these, but
It
it's
do. So, yeah, guys, let me get the pack. Let me show Ellie Gang. So in
It's
case
like one
kids.
of these, but there's like a miniature form and it's flat.
Yeah. So, I mean, and plus, like right now in Florida, the kids are out for the summer. So he's getting a chance to, you know, play around and do his own lunches and stuff. You should have waited actually to 12 cards. Could have been your lunch. So this is what it looks like, guys. It's a Lunchable. And yeah. That looks good, Carter. Okay, so, all right, guys. So Carter's gonna get ready to have his pizza. You want to tell the vlog later? He says peace. So yeah, guys, that was something really quick. Again, you can have your kids, you know, fun activity you can do with your kids and you know, get them engaged, you know. I actually have to sometimes pull Carter off the game. So this was something this is something he put together really quickly, and I think I'm gonna get some more little things like this and have them prepare. And if you guys are wondering where we get them from, you get them from Target. You can also get them from Walmart. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Yeah, until the next video. Peace.